Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. It will be the first video on our YouTube channel, and in this video we will be discussing about the most commonly used microcontroller. And now you have guessed which microcontroller we are talking about, and that is the Arduino Uno, that is developed by the Arduino community in Italy. Now in the further video we will be discussing about what is Arduino, what are the different varieties of Arduino, what are the sensors that can be coupled with Arduino, as well as the pin diagram, and at last we will be discussing about what are the applications of the microcontroller Arduino Uno. The most common example of Arduino Uno is making the DIY based projects. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source microcontroller board which is having an 8mega 328p SoC, that means system on chip. It can be programmed using variety of languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, as well as the Microsoft code blocks. It can be also programmed with the help of the MIT Code Inventor, or we can say the App Inventor tool. Now in the next slide we will be showing the picture of the Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the picture of the Arduino Uno microcontroller that will be used. Now let's talk about the pin diagram of the Arduino. It is a 40-pin microcontroller. The Arduino community developed a easier platform so that a PCB that is very useful in programming the AVR based microchips. It is having 13 digital I/O pins, in which 6 are PWM based, having a tilde symbol across them, and PWM means pulse width modulation, and it also covers 6 analog pins for input, as well as couple of sensors can be interfaced with the Arduino Uno. And if you are looking for an entry level microcontroller, this will be the best microcontroller. It can work as well as master as well as a slave in a I2C network. It can be powered through both DC barrel jack as well as the USB port. The operating voltage is 5 to 12 volts. It is having a 7805 voltage regulator on chip. It can regulate any voltages supplying from 3 to 12 volts to a 5 volts supply. On the left it is having power supply pins which are used for powering the different modules or the sensors that are coupled with the Arduino Uno. It is set at 16 MHz clock frequency, and now in this slide you can see the different types of purposes of the Arduino and the description as well. Now we can talk about the types of Arduino. There are a variety of Arduino that are available in the market, but the most commonly used are the Arduino Uno, Nano, and the Lilipad. These are having 8mega 328 same SoC but in different form factors. But some of the microcontrollers such as STM32 or the Node MCU can also be programmed using the Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE is an open source software that is used for programming the Atmel based AVR microchips, or we can say the Arduinos. There are a couple of sensors that can be used with the Arduino Uno, and some of them are the listed below, and that are infrared sensor, or we can say the IR sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, gyroscope, Hall effect, Bluetooth, or the L298 and Edge bridge driver. And all of this will be discussed individually in further videos, and the PPT is available for download in the description below. And now the application of the Arduino microcontroller are, it is most useful for the basic DIY projects, automation based projects, IoT based products such as the water level monitoring or basic circuit designs, and it also having some industrial applications such as we can automate the industry using many Arduinos. You can say the Arduino is developing a new microcontroller, that is the Portenta H7, that can be used for industry 4.0 application as well. Now so that's for all this video. If you are having any suggestion, let us know in the comment section below. Now we are winding up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.